How's it going, YouTube? We got Jarret in the driver's seat, and we got the 16-foot car trailer back there, if you can see it. We're coming up on our stop in a couple minutes, and we are picking up a new toy that we've been looking for one for quite a while. So I definitely think it's going to help with a lot of what we're talking about doing.
I didn't know about it until after it was purchased.
To be fair, I watch a lot of auctions. Jarret does to a lesser extent. This item has been trending on Facebook Marketplace for $6,000 on the like very cheap side. And then if you want to get a nicer one, $15,000, $20,000, but that's well out of what I've been looking at. I picked it up at auction for $2,800. What?
A nicer one, $15,000, $20,000. No, a nicer one's like $30,000 to $40,000.
This same auction sold a nicer one, a really nice Kubota, for, I think it was $46,000 is what it went for. 2018, big old version. But anyways, we'll hop ahead here and we'll show you what we're looking at. How's it going, YouTube? So, New Holland skid steer. And on the tag, it says hard to start, which we were told it started, and then somebody else came up and said it hasn't started since it was here. So we're currently charging it off the F350, and Jarret's seeing if we can potentially use the telehandler to push it up onto the trailer. What we know about it at the moment is this is not good, the prime pump, and if that's bad for too long, it can take out the main pump, which I believe is right there. So we are getting less hopeful as the time goes, but we'll see what happens. Just so you can see the tag, what we've done at the moment is we pulled off the batteries, which has a date of last year, and it's still not starting. We hooked it straight to the truck, still not starting, barely turning over. So we're gonna go ahead and see if they can use the telehandler for it. So we went ahead and got it pushed up here with the telehandler. Have a couple straps on the bucket, strap on this, 2 chains on this, and each of the binders we went ahead and ran a bungee cord just so it doesn't accidentally pop. I haven't used these binders before, better safe than sorry. But we should be good. We're gonna get out on the road. What was supposed to take us like a half hour has now taken us about 2.5 hours, but that's on par for us.
We were supposed to be home in a half hour.
And we're still 2.5 hours away. Oh, more content, right?
I'm never eating that spicy chicken sandwich again. How much is this? 15 milliliter, 30 milliliter. I'm doubling it. I'm not helping you pick up shit anymore. Hope nobody comes in behind me and be like, oh, we need to get in. You want to know a hilarious thing? You got the Shamrock Shake. This is mint flavor. Oh, it doesn't taste as good as Shamrock Shake. It's still recording. Oh.
Just to kind of explain this situation, Jarret pulled all the way down this, which is not very wide. It's like 3 cars wide, with the trailer, because he said, and I quote, everything hurts. But anyways, we are now done with the pickup. We're about halfway back to the house. I'm gonna follow him back the rest of the way since we met up about halfway there. So we got it back. We tried to jump box, no luck.
Oh, do you want to hear it run? Quick, come with me, guys. She starts right up. No, she doesn't. Matt bought it. It's all broke.
On the line of totally broke, there appears to be a large hydraulic leak on the right side of the
multiple
skid steer. Well, I think it's coming out multiple places on the belly pan. It could be the same leak. In light of this, we're not really sure what we're gonna do.
Pressure wash it?
I mean, I think it's a matter of coming back here and going through the electrical. It's not turning over very fast, even when it's hooked up to a vehicle, or a jump box. So the thought is, it's probably a bad electrical connection somewhere. But, I mean, looking at that great electrical work they have in this, I don't know why it'd be bad anywhere.
Don't look at me.
So it's just going to be a matter of going through it and...
They should have left a manual. Like, if you're going to do all this janky wiring, there should have been, like, a post-it note.
Or YouTube videos.
Or 2 post-it notes. Yeah, YouTube video would have been great. All we got was, let's see if I remember correctly.
A very wet seat.
Yeah, very wet seat. Which they kindly provided us with a seat cover. Starting fluid. So
it's ether trained.
the fuel filter. That is
that
not.
what that is? Okay.
That's not a sterno. More seating material.
Oh, that's what we need to get it to start.
They drink pure leaf sweet tea.
I was walking through Gettysburg when I bid on that. You're just missing all these random bolts too. Like I don't like this.
That's how my truck was when I got it. It was missing tons of stuff all over the place. That's why, fingers crossed. Camera pan right. It doesn't start because it has some of the engine bay pieces that I'm missing.
Jarret's hoping bad wishes on this, which I haven't even messed with in like 2 weeks, so we'll see what happens there. I think this is probably going to be where we leave this because, yeah.
It's kind of in the way. You're just going to leave it right here?
Hop in it, start it, and move it, please. Oh man, this is something, all right.
How attached are you to the trailer?
Me, not so much. My father, probably a good bit, considering it's his.
We just put a wheel on the front. I know what happens when you put a trailer and just let it go wild in your driveway.
It runs you.
No, I'm standing uphill. I'm standing uphill. There's no, that'll kill me.
The last one tried to. Oh. For those of you who don't know,
with the hole in the ground.
There was a hole over there. Jarret's moving a trailer, steps in the hole. And you just see the trailer go over Jarret.
You just see me fall, the trailer goes over me, and I'm stuck there on the ground. And for like 20 seconds, I'm in a thorn bush. I'm like, everyone's asleep. I'm by myself. I had to call Matt 2 times to get him to wake up. I was like, thank God he woke up, because I couldn't get up. My leg was literally halfway up my thigh. There's a big hole. I'm not a small guy. Like that's a there's some flab there. That's not muscle. There might be one muscle under there left from high school, but I'm saving that one for when the McRib comes back.
To run to it. But I definitely think that's where we're gonna leave off on this. And by all means, give me your thoughts. You know, it cranks but very slow. So if you guys know these old L783s, what could be the culprit? Otherwise, I'm going to do some research, hopefully get it spinning over, replace that pump, might have to replace the pump down there, and hopefully we'll be golden. All this pretty mud.
Just look at the bottom.
It's all dirty.
Over here. It's just piles of gunk. You don't have just point it. Point the camera at it. You'll find it everywhere. It's the sky.
But no, it's definitely been ran hard and put away wet. That's going to do it for us.